Okay guys, so today we are in my house, obviously, and my child has turned into a kid, so she is no longer a toddler anymore. Oh, and I had to transform her room from a baby room to an amazing room. So I'm going to show you all her room. Okay, let's go. Okay, so this is just an all view of it. Okay, now we're gonna get into detail. Here is her closet. She's got all of her clothes and shoes that she needs. Here she has a little gaming section or where she can study. Right now she's just playing Roblox. She has 2 beds, so she can choose where she wants to sleep. Usually she sleeps on her bunk bed, but sometimes she feels like sleeping here. Here is her VR headset. Amazing, right? Here are her fish, which I have to feed every day. Here's where all her toys and snow globes are, just in case she wants to play with those. And then here she's got a little swing where she can just sit on, chill. And like if she just needs quick access somewhere, like if she needs to go here to see the pets or something, or go to the living room to ask me something, or go to the kitchen, or even if she needs to go in my room, she can just quickly run through there, which is a great thing. And yeah, that's her room. I've still not got rid of this. She's no longer a child. Very sad. But yeah, that was our house, and I hope you like it. Bye!